Good morning, friends. Today I will teach you about the genetic basis of inheritance, the remaining points. In these remaining points, there are so many terminologies are there and some scientists, year and events, and about the pea plant also, and study about the phenotypic and genotypic ratios also. So, the point is, what will be the phenotypic ratio of F2 generation during the inheritance of skin color in human, which is controlled by 3 alleles, that is 1s2, 6s2, 15s2, 20, 15s2, 6s2, 1. During the inheritance of human skin color in F2 generation, which phenotypic shows maximum expression in pure black? The term genetics was coined by William Bateson in 1906. George Johnson Mendel gave the first scientific explanation regarding the inheritance in 1866. Mendel selected the garden pea plant as it is self-pollinated plant but can be radially be cross-pollinated artificially. Then flower. Emasculation is the removal of stamen before anthesis. The term factor of determine for the unit of heredity was coined by Mendel. Mendel factor is known as genes. It is also called as genera, genus. An individual or a group of individuals which is true breeding homozygous for one or more trait is known as pure line. Hybrid is an individual which results from the crossing between two individuals differing at least in one important character. Davenport studies the inheritance of skin color in Negro and albinos. A person having one white parent and one Negro parent is called mulatto. A dark-skinned indigenous person of Africa is known as Negro. So-called white man is called Caucasians. The phenomenon of like beget like is due to heredity. The Faraday, father of botany, Stephen Hales, father of physiology, Aristo, father of biology, Lathyrus odoratus is a sweet pea, Mangifera indica, mango, and Solanum tuberosum is potato. Mendel, born in 1822, small village, Hennigsdorf in Austria. Mendel completed his graduation in math and natural history and physics in 1840. In 1843, Mendel he joined the Austrian monastery and became priest. In 1856, Mendel performed his experiment on garden pea plant, that is the famous experiment, and he dies in 6 January 1884 of a kidney disorder. So, then about the Karl Correns. Germany work on maize. Hugo de Ries, Holland, work on evening primrose. Erich van Tesmar, Austria, work on flowering plants. Then terminology. Alleles, the abbreviated form of term allelomorph, indicate alternative form of the same genes. Homozygous indicate a pair of character similarity. Heterozygous, a pair of character of the dissimilarity. Phenotype, external appearance of an organism. Genotype, genetically constituent of an organism. Backcross, F1 generation cross with dominant parent or character. Test cross, F1 generation cross with the recessive parent or character. Mendel was sent to University of Vienna for higher study of physics, math and natural science. The genes I control the ABO group, blood group. Genes has 3 alleles IA, IB and I. Incomplete dominance when both the genes of an allelomorphic pair express themselves partially, the dominance is called complete. Incomplete dominance. Codominance when both the genes of an allelomorphic pair express themselves equally in F1 hybrid. The dominance is called codominance. Pleiotropic when a single gene controls 2 or more than 2 traits, it is called pleiotropic genes. Example, sickle cell anemia. Lethal gene. A gene which causes the death of the barrier is called lethal gene. Colorblind. It is vitamin deficiency disease. Skin color in human is controlled by 3 pairs of genes A, BB, CC. Mirabilis jalpa shows the incomplete dominance. Small patches of red and white color called mosaic inheritance. Father of classical genetics, George Mendel. Father of modern genetics, William Batson. Father of genetic engineering, Paul Burks. Homo and heterozygous, Watson, William Batson. Offspring, the individual obtained from parent. Progeny, total number of individuals produced. Haploid, a single containing the single complete cell set of chromosome. Diploid, a cell containing 2 haploid set of chromosome. Hemizygous, only one allele of a pair is present. Sibling, offspring of same parent but at different birth. Example, brother and sister. Outcross, cross between F1 individual and homozygous dominant parent to produce the hybrid plant. First time incomplete dominance was reported in 4 o'clock plants. Mirabilis jalpa by Carl Coren, 1903. Nilsson, Els, 1908, first experiment color in wheat. Polygenic inheritance, first study by the J. Carliqueter, 1760 on tobacco. So here we completed the points on genetic basis of inheritance. Subscribe it, like it. Thank you.